What if I told you this tiny blue board can control robots, automate homes, build smart devices, and even create your own mini computer projects? This is Arduino UNO, the board that started millions of engineering and electronics journeys around the world. But what actually happens inside this board? How does it think? How does it control electronics? And why do beginners fear it unnecessarily? In this video, you'll understand Arduino UNO completely from scratch in the simplest possible way. And by the end, you'll finally know how real electronics projects actually work. Arduino UNO is basically a small programmable computer for electronics. Think about it like a brain. Just like your brain takes decisions and controls your body, Arduino takes decisions and controls electronic components. It can turn LEDs on and off, control motors, read sensors, measure temperature, connect to Wi-Fi modules, build robots, and automate real-world systems. The best part? You don't need to be an expert engineer to start using it. But here's the interesting part. Arduino itself is not the real brain. This tiny black chip here is the actual computer. It's called the AMEGA 328P microcontroller. This chip stores programs, processes instructions, reads inputs, and controls outputs. In simple words, this single chip is what makes Arduino intelligent. Now let's understand the most important concept in electronics: input and output. Arduino first receives information from the outside world using sensors. For example, temperature sensor, motion sensor, light sensor, or a button press. Then Arduino processes that information and gives an output. Like turning on a fan, moving a motor, sending notifications, or activating alarms. This is exactly how smart electronics systems work in real life. You may think Arduino is only for students, but that's completely wrong. The same concepts are used in smart homes, industrial automation, robots, drones, vehicle systems, medical devices, security systems, and IoT products. Even professional engineers use microcontrollers similar to Arduino in real-world embedded systems. So how do we control Arduino? By uploading code. Using the Arduino IDE software, we write instructions in simple programming language. Then the code is transferred through the USB cable into the microcontroller. After that, Arduino follows those instructions continuously. That's how software controls hardware. Most beginners think electronics is difficult because of circuits and programming. But the truth is, electronics becomes easy once you understand the logic step by step. Arduino was specifically created to make learning electronics simple for everyone. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need advanced math. And you don't need years of experience to start building projects. Now you finally understand what Arduino UNO actually is and why it became so popular in electronics. But this is only the beginning. In the next video, we'll learn how Arduino actually reads sensor data and controls real devices practically. That's where electronics becomes truly exciting. Subscribe now and start your embedded systems journey from scratch.